I am so blessed to live in a household where everybody besides me is a great and talented chef, an artist in the kitchen. My wife, you've heard me talk about before, actually owns and runs the kitchen at 2 local restaurants. And now my teenage kids also love to cook and make exciting new meals all the time. I am not nearly as capable in the kitchen, so I'm happy to stay out of the way and enjoy the fruits of their labor. But it had me thinking about the recipe because, of course, sometimes when you're cooking, it's good to, be freestyle. But a lot of times when you're cooking, you want to have a recipe. And when you make something great, you want to put it down in a recipe so that you can repeat it again in the future or share it with others. That's what got me to the recipe for strong trademark protection. Now, the amazing thing is it is a very simple recipe. It is not overly complicated. You don't need to acquire a lot of things in advance. You don't need a long list of things to add in. You can see here from the visual that we have that what you need for strong trademark protection is one creative and unique name, registering it with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, using that brand name properly, and enforcing and renewing it as needed. Now, let me pause and take a little bit more time to explain each of these. Again, the ingredients for this recipe are very straightforward and just 4 of them. First, it's that bold brand name. If you have a creative name that is unique in your industry, you are already on your way to creating that delicious, strongly protected trademark. 2, when you register any trademark, particularly that strong creative one, with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, you are enhancing that protection and you are really, really adding to the strength of it. And of course, you're getting to use the R with a circle registration symbol, and you're appearing in the USPTO's database 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you're having all the other benefits of a registration in any disputes. The third recipe is properly using that mark, and that is in part using those symbols. I mentioned the R with a circle. That means before you're registered, properly using a TM or an SM to help identify this brand name and make it stand out. And I would also suggest that you may want to use it in bold or a different color or italics when possible, or a logo to really make it pop and stand out from the other wording around it so people know that it's special and that it's your brand and that you want it to be strong and protected. And then finally, the 4th ingredient, like having a talented, skilled, experienced chef to put together all those ingredients, you want that talented, experienced trademark counsel. Because with their wisdom and talents and experience, they're going to help make these ingredients work even better for your brand and make it even better and stronger protected, make it get through that registration process and help complete the full picture for your trademark protection. I hope you enjoyed learning about that recipe. If you want to see more of my visuals, you can find them at erikpelton.com and look under the valuable resources tool, and you'll see this recipe along with lots of other great visuals that my team has come up with.